Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi students, today I will show you how to make a glass of milk tea. First, we have a tea bag, and then we have 1 teaspoon of sugar, and then we have a half glass of milk, and then here we have a half glass of hot water. Let's start. First, put in a tea bag into a half glass of hot water, and then let's wait for 1 to 2 minutes for the tea to infuse, or you can stir in the tea bag. After that, remove the tea bag. Next, put in the sugar and stir well. Next, pour the milk into the hot tea. Stir it again until it blends well. And done, the milk tea is ready to serve. Let's try. Okay, that's all for this recipe. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.